Hello everyone. My name is Ashwani, and today we are going to find out the relationship between MR and AR function. MR means marginal revenue and AR means average revenue. For suppose considering a equation where AR equals to 15 minus Q. Before solving this, I would tell you the average relation between total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. So TR refers to total revenue, AR refers to average revenue, and MR refers to marginal revenue. So if we derivate TR, we will automatically get MR. So to get MR, we want to derivate TR, total revenue. And if we divide TR, divide TR, we will get average revenue. Okay, and if we multiply average revenue, we will get total revenue. Now taking this as an example, suppose I said that we have to find the relationship between MR and AR. So here AR equals to 15 minus Q. First we have to, if we have to find the marginal revenue, we have to convert it into total revenue. So we will multiply. See, we will multiply AR to get TR. So here we can see that there is one variable which is Q. So we will multiply it with Q on both sides. AR multiplied by Q equals to 15Q minus Q square. So AR into Q. So TR is also AR into Q equals to 15Q minus Q square. Now we have to find the marginal revenue. So for marginal revenue, we will derivate total revenue for marginal revenue. Just remember this, what I have written. So if we derivate TR, so dTR with respect to Q, we will get 15 minus 2Q. So this is the marginal revenue we got. We can also write it as MR equals to 15 minus 2Q. So if you understand, just take a screenshot of it. Now we will discuss the case 2. So here's the case 2 is that suppose we don't have an equation, we have an AR function, average revenue function, given as function of Q. Average revenue is given as the function of Q. So to convert it, first we will convert it into total revenue by multiplying by Q. FQ dot Q. So this is the total revenue. Then we will derivate total revenue to get marginal revenue. We can also write this as TR equals to F of F function of Q dot Q. To avoid confusion, we can write it as this also. Okay. So first, now derivating this, derivate. Now we will use the product rule. So basically, what is the product rule? U dash V plus V dash U, or you can also write it as X dash Y plus Y dash X. It always depend upon your understanding. If you are very thorough with this, use this, or if you are very thorough with this one, use this. Now first we will derivate this, so we will write it as FQ and V as it is, which is Q. Now we'll derivate the Q, so we are derivating it with respect to q. Okay, so dr upon q with respect to q. So q will automatically become 1, and fq, function of q, we will write it as it is. Now look at this. This is the marginal revenue we got. We would rewrite this function as fq plus fq dot q plus fq. Now look at this. Here ar is equals to fq. We get fq here, so we will substitute it. So mr equals to fq dash dot q plus ar, because ar is equals to fq. We can see it here. Now we will move the ar to the left hand side. Ar equals to fq dash dot q. So we can say that the difference of marginal revenue and average revenue is fq dash dot q. Okay, so here is the different so here is the relationship between it, so you can just take a screenshot. Thank you.